Welcome to our video about one of the most beloved cartoons of all time. From its unforgettable characters to its timeless humor, this cartoon has captured the hearts of audiences young and old for decades. So sit back, relax, and get ready to rediscover the magic of this cartoon as we take you on a journey through its history, its impact, and its enduring legacy. Courage the Cowardly Dog follows Courage, a kind yet easily frightened troublesome dog. He was abandoned as a puppy after his parents were sent into outer space by a crazed veterinarian. Soon after, he was found in an alleyway by Muriel Bagg, a friendly Scottish woman who decided to take Courage in as her own, and was inspired by the nature of this first meeting to give him his name. In the present, he lives with the now elderly Muriel and her husband Eustace Bagg, a cranky and greedy American man who is often jealous of Courage and refers to him as stupid dog, and frequently uses a mask to scare him out of his wits in an isolated farmhouse. The nearest town to the farmhouse is a town called Nowhere. Courage and his owners frequently encounter monsters, aliens, zombies, and other paranormal or supernatural creatures that are attracted to Nowhere. The plot generally uses conventions common to horror films. Although most of the creatures the three face are hostile, some only appear that way, but are simply suffering from distress, anger, and/or acting in desperation, and sometimes because they are depressed, but they can turn out to be friendly to them. The task of protecting Muriel and Eustace from such dangers falls on Courage, who endeavors to thwart or reconcile with the monster of the week and remedy or repair any damages done. Although Courage is occasionally aided with that task, the full extent of his efforts is usually performed unbeknownst to Muriel and Eustace. Ironically, given his name, Courage may be considered a genuine hero who often goes to great lengths to protect his owners, and a genuine coward who still expresses much of his distress with over-the-top, piercing shrieks. Although episodic in nature, there are a handful of recurring characters in the show's cast, including Courage's sarcastic, sentient computer, the family physician Dr. Vindaloo, a fortune-telling chihuahua named Shirley the Medium, Eustace's mother Ma, villains Katz and Quack, and the antagonistic D. Lung. Thank you for watching our video. If you found this video helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel for more great content like this. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. If you have any questions or comments about this video, please leave them down below and we'll get back to you as soon as we can. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.